Wa Riverside E18 Residence by EID Arch plus Shanghai Tianhua Architectural Design plus EDAS in Shanghai, China. Located near the riverfront area in Pudong District, Shanghai, Wa Riverside E18 Residence is a multifamily housing project with over 110 apartment units on a tight site, surrounded by dense residential neighborhoods. In an environment where scale and speed are hypervalued in the realm of development, the design of E18 Residence intends to break the mold of mass-produced homogeneous housing typologies in China, creating a contemporary housing typology with a contextually sensitive approach to its community and urban environment. This modern addition to the multilayered neighborhood introduces new dimension and dynamism to the urban context and community, giving new identity to the otherwise nondescriptive district. A new urban housing typology. International architects rarely engage in housing design in China due to the predominance of homogeneous housing models, in addition to the copy-and-paste culture towards the housing typology adopted by local developers. As one of the smallest parcels available in Shanghai, E18 Residence presents a unique challenge for the design team to probe the future of housing in a high-density urban environment, coupled with the stringent zoning requirements and intent to optimize the residential program. E18 Residence is situated at the edge of Luojiazui Financial District adjacent to Huangpu River, and takes its unique building form from the geometric relationships between the allowable building envelope and sun path. Sculptured by angles of sunlight, Wa E18 Residence explores how building shape informed by site-specific criteria and solar access can expand potential to positively impact its community and urban environment. Solar sculpted urban canyon. The building utilizes a U-shaped massing configuration, a solution to accommodate the residential program and establish continuity to the urban interface. The massing is sculpted using sunlight studies, ensuring solar access for the surrounding existing neighborhood is not compromised. The height, form and position of the building are strategically developed guided by solar access analysis. Block E18 is organized around a central courtyard with intimate gardens and a playground on the site, encouraging informal encounters and social interactions. The curvilinear geometry of the inner cascading roof terraces references to the flowing quality of the river nearby, while the rectilinear outline of the massing responds to the existing urban fabric. The design of E18 Residence provides a transformative urban living experience, introducing multidimensional green terraces within the building. Along with the garden space and neighborhood park, these open-air terraces provide ample opportunities for expansive views of the river and city vista. The E18 Residence's massing captures seasonal breezes and creates a series of vertical garden terraces that enhance the daily life of the neighborhood. This solar-sculpted urban canyon is also reminiscent of rice paddy fields often found in natural environments, heightening the importance of nature in Asian culture. Wa Riverside E18 Residence has a total of 114 units with an average of 90 SQM, for typical units and 4 penthouse units, ranging from 2-bedroom units to 4-bedroom duplex units. The project also consists of 36 different plans to accommodate the required program unit mix. Each unit at the west wing is positioned at a 45-degree rotation intended to maximize sunlight exposure and optimal views to the river. Relatively small in comparison to its immediate surrounding buildings, the distinctive silhouette of E18 Residence has transformed the skyline of Shanghai and serves as a new prototype for urban living.